In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to connect your Xbox to Insignia TV. So let's get started. Now, the first step is to turn everything off. So turn off. So make sure that both your TV and your Xbox are turned off. Now, with that I mean that they're not connected to power with the power cable. Now, the second step is that you're gonna plug one end of the HDMI. So as you can see, that's our HDMI. I'm gonna just draw an arrow. You're gonna plug one side of the HDMI in the HDMI out section, okay? So I'm just gonna zoom in and show you guys right there, okay? So let me just take the pen out. Right there, you're gonna plug in one end of the HDMI, and the other end goes obviously behind the TV. So you're gonna go navigate behind the TV and plug it into whatever port. Could be HDMI 1, could be HDMI 2, or could be HDMI 3. Now, once that is done, then you're gonna head over to your TV remote, and here you're gonna click on this input button. Now, when you click on this, you're gonna have options to choose HDMI 1, 2, 3, and so on. Now if you have no idea which HDMI you have plugged into, then you can just scroll through all of them, and whenever a PS5 screen shows up, and then just stop it there. Now, some remotes won't exactly be like this. They might have other buttons like, for example, source. So if source is there, just go and click that, or home. Then you can navigate the HDMI options from these buttons as well. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can connect your Xbox to a an Insignia TV. And I hope that this video has helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.